Yes, I do. Close. This is my safety doll. The one that looks like me. Okay. Joy. I have this pretty shirt I got from Our Generation. Two things. I got from Target. I also got these two bags at Target. I got this that came out with that she's wearing. And I got the purple shoes and white blue shoes and the headband and the Royal Charm from Royal Charm. My mom ordered it from there, so I just went waiting for my Amazon Girl to January 2nd, January, no, I think December 25th, and 4th, January 24th again, because, okay, here's the shirt that I got from the AG Play, the Kim Play American Girl. Yes, Kim Play American Girl. Now we're in the stuff. Off to the first one. Okay. No. There. This one. First, my thing. It's really awesome. And it's suggesting some blue shoes. And then this purple book kind of blue. Purple shoes. Oh wait. These came with the that's what they do like with my American Girl, just like you do. Which one is it? Now we're gonna show you how to put the back in your trailer. Okay. First, you want the purple first. You're gonna fold it like how you want it, and we cannot take. Ooh, what's that drawing again? A cupcake. Is that a cake?
Yes,
it's a cake. It's not a cupcake.
These leggings need to be
to these boots. They actually do not want to go because they cannot fit my boots. And the food was out of my own there. Now she's got to try all of her clothes on. But sometimes she does not need it. Well, I guess she's going to be so famous. So this is the stuff that I was talking about, the eye thing. So I can show you if it's American though, because it has a tag. It says American on it. I'm about to get music.